buffalo chicken Paillard. Instead of the blue cheese dressing on the side, we're going to do a fresh, bright, easy slaw salad with carrots, celery, and some shaved fennel, which I have in the box grater here. We'll get to that in a minute. We're gonna start with the dressing for the slaw. Chicken Paillard is extremely quick cooking. So we actually wanna make the salad topping for the pounded out chicken first. So we're taking the zest and the juice of 1 lemon. I zested it, I'm squeezing it cut side up over the bowl so that the seeds stay with the lemon. And then to that, we're going to add, a good sprinkle of sugar, about 2 teaspoons, and a sprinkle of salt for our slaw dressing. Pinch over the shoulder for luck. Couple tablespoons of any innocuous vinegar. This is white wine vinegar. You can use white distilled or cider. 3 turns of the bowl. About the same of our oil of choice, innocuous or olive oil, up to you. I think I'm gonna put a little drizzle of super good olive oil on top of that. These 2 are optional. I'm going to add a little fennel pollen because I'm using fresh fennel, and some celery seed because I'm using fresh celery. But it's just if you have it in your spice pantry. And then white or black pepper, your choice. And a good amount of salt. How much salt did I put in there? So we've whisked up the dressing in a bowl. Then we throw everybody into the pool. And we give it a nice quick turn. If you butterfly and you begin to have the chicken breast across and open it like a book, it's much easier to pound out and you get kind of a prettier plate presentation. Now, this hand is now touched chicken, so be mindful of that. This hand is going to show you that I made a sprinkle of salt, pepper, and pimenton, or smoked sweet paprika. Okay, most of us have this now. Everybody likes the smoked sweet paprika. So because we're making a buffalo style chicken, I wanted this to be a little smoky, but not too hot because we're going to add a ton of hot sauce at the end. So we're going to season this on both sides with our mixture, which is why we measure it out first, so that once we start handling our chicken, we can just keep on going until we can wash up our hands. All I have in the skillet is a little olive oil. You can see in the pan there. And I put the butterfly side up and the prettier presentation side down, okay? Okay, guys, so here's our first batch of Paillard. Here's the second one coming out. I grated up a few cloves of garlic. We're gonna make buffalo sauce, of course. I got my Frank's Red Hot, I got some butter. Couple tablespoons of butter. I took 2 good-sized pats from a stick. And we're gonna swirl that in our still hot skillet. Woo! Like a roller coaster. And then into that, we're gonna drop our garlic, of course. 1 clove per breast. That's 4 cloves grated. Swirl! Swirl! Okay. And then we're going to add to that about 2 tablespoons per breast of our hot sauce. I just coat the bottom of the pan completely. And then you know what happens now, right? Just like we were flipping wings in a big bowl, we're going to flip the pieces of chicken breast in the garlic butter hot sauce. And then we're going to give a quick turn in the bowl of our shaved fennel, carrot and celery slaw. Okay. And then we're going to add green onion, little scallion to the mix. And then the best part, especially for John, the smoked blue cheese. Whoa.